Hey y'all, today I will be installing this wig that I received from Megalook.com. This is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, 180% density, and the texture is a loose deep wave texture. Prior to this video, I did spray my lace tint on the lace. I used the Ebin lace tint in the color medium brown. A few of y'all asked me if I do the bowl cap method or not, and honestly, I don't do the bowl cap method. I prefer to just use the stocking cap and just put it over my braids just to protect my hair, but I don't do the bowl cap method. I personally don't like to use the bowl cap method because I feel like it just takes up extra time, and I'm perfectly fine with just my regular hairline showing. And also I feel like with the bowl cap method, in my experience with my HD closures or my HD frontals, since it's see-through and transparent, you can see that bowl cap method through the lace, and I don't like that. I don't like when that shows, so I just never continue to do the bowl cap method. But that's just me, that's just my experience and opinion. So if you like to do that bowl cap method, then baby, continue to do that bowl cap method. I'm using Bold Hold Active to apply my lace, and I'm only applying one layer of glue. Of course, for those of you that just want extra security with your wig and your lace, you would apply 2 or 3 layers, but in my case, since I switch out my wigs a lot, I usually only just use 1 layer. I'm using the Ebin Firm Hold Adhesive Spray to basically just glue down the areas that just lifted up while I was cutting the lace. I'm using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation to basically just get that lace to match my skin tone, and this really like seals the deal for me. It puts everything together and makes it look more natural. If you want to find this product, it is linked in my Amazon storefront, and basically my Amazon storefront has all of my products that I use to have a nice natural install. And I also have certain wigs that you can find on Amazon that I've reviewed before link to the Amazon storefront as well. So that link will be in the description box. So I'm just plugging a little bit more on the hairline area, just in that one section, just so I can have that widow's peak effect, because I love when the hair looks like that. For some reason, I just like it. Using my flat iron to just curl my baby hairs, and this is just gonna give me that feathered, soft type of baby hair look. I love the way my baby hairs look when I do this method. It changed the game for me. Unless there's some other way, some other method that comes out that's better than this, I don't think that I'm going back to the old way anytime soon. Recently, I've been using mousse to do my baby hairs, and I stopped using the Got2b black gel. And there's no specific reason as to why I stopped using the gel. Honestly, I'm in between the gel and the mousse sometimes, but I've been using the mousse lately because I just love the way the mousse has just been working with my baby hairs. It works better for me. And I love my gel too. The gel works good for me too, but the mousse has just been doing it lately. So I decided that I didn't want to hot comb my parting space area too much, and maybe for like a water wave type of texture, I would make it flat at the top. But as far as like my loose deep wave or deep wave wigs, I prefer for the top area to have that same poofy look as the rest of the hair. as far as the hairline area, that's gonna get slicked down. That's gonna get flattened for sure. I don't care about any other part getting flattened when it comes to my curly wigs except for that hairline area, which is important to me. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, just to enhance that parting space area and also just disguising that ball cap that you're seeing underneath there. Okay guys, so here's the final look. I love the curl pattern on this wig, and I even like the length on this wig. I feel like it's a cute length. It's 24 inches, so I like it. I think that it's really giving vacation, and it's making me want to go to a tropical island. My expectations of Megalook hair is always going to be high because Megalook hair, they do have some really good quality hair. I had their hair before and it lasted me for months. And it didn't shed, it didn't get thin on me, anything. So I just know that they have really good hair and their lace is top tier as well. almost at 20K subscribers. I love you guys so much. Y'all are always supporting me so much, and I'm so grateful for y'all. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.